we made a video of us having this treasure hunt, and then this is the big stuff.
And you guys already remember, so yeah.
So let's see what is inside. Oh, gotta open up the flaps, and now lay it down and then pull.
I'm the dog and
What kind of toys is there, guys?
Ooh, some. You could be this guy.
Attack! The lion!
Like you get this
Let's
out.
try to give them a push.
And I'll be this guy.
You push from the bottom, Matthew?
Yeah, but
Packaging's really good, eh, boys?
yeah.
But I can't get it out.
Here, you want to hold this, Jonathan?
Okay.
What do we got going on here?
Pull his head. Pull his head.
Pull his head. What in the world?
Tucky.
One puppy dog free. Whoop.
Ooh.
His shadow. Here, you hold it, John.
I'm gonna have this
Daddy. Woof, 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 woof.
Ooh.
I think we need to get a little bit more serious about this.
What is this?
Here's Beck.
I don't think kids could get these toys out.
Oh, yay!
This guy from me. That's guy from me.
You the bad guy, Jonathan? Oh.
Oh.
What happened?
What happened?
Look at. We broke.
Look at this, guys.
Oh.
You want to try to stick his head back on?
Don't try it to break his head off, Daddy.
I am the evil
Let's see if I can use a
monster.
zip.
I'm the evil bug.
Okay.
Have to pretend this was your little dog.
Attack! No, we have to grab this. Here.
Alright, let's put the box there, boys.
Let's see. Oh, I guess it's not parachute. Oh.
There you go, boys.
This will be yours.
What is in there, boys?
I mean,
No. This is what it means. Flip it over upside down.
How do you get it out?
I don't know. Wait, we use a knife that we could cut open that we
wait
can
a second.
lift it up.
Can I see this?
Go ahead, Matthew.
Which I'm not. Oh, let me.
There you go, Matthew. Good thinking.
No, Matthew, you use it with the bottom.
Yeah. No, I'm just actually kind of breaking this.
Here, let's see.
Matthew.
Here, Matthew.
Should we break that
Here,
open?
you hold on to this.
I'm here.
An owl probably.
Let's see if Daddy can get it out.
I use a shovel.
You need
Some
some
help here.
knife.
This is guys. This is a shovel. Shovel.
This is some weird stuff in here, boys. I don't know.
Attack. You say.
I think you gotta.
Attack.
Okay, boys, here. You gotta use this to dig into it.
Wait. And you can use
chop
can
into
Johnson
it.
use?
Use the other side, Matthew.
This side?
Yeah.
Daddy, what do I use?
There you go. Keep going. Do a couple hits and then let Jonathan. Oh. Dig.
Daddy, now can I do it? Matthew, it's my
Digging for treasure.
Matthew, it's my turn.
Okay, let him have a couple times. Flip it to the other side, Jonathan. Rip it. Go ahead, Matthew. You want to help rip it? Rip it open.
Okay.
Oh,
There you go.
goo. Oh wait, what is that?
I don't know. What is that stuff?
Oh, open it. There's a guy.
Okay. We almost got it. Just
What is in there?
Oh, this was so good. I want it. I want to keep it. Can I keep this one to a chug?
Okay, now let's.
I want to grab
I want
it.
this metal box.
I'm
You
grabbing
guys find a treasure?
Not yet. You can. I want some more. I need some.
metal
Hey,
box.
let me open this. So you can have these two.
Yeah. Now I'm
No,
gonna
this one.
keep all this. I'm only keeping this much.
Daddy, how many of these do we have?
I think just the one. What's in the baggies?
It's open.
Okay, I'm gonna go to get a bag for this. This is my little
You
slime.
can get it after,
It's
Jonathan.
my slime. It's my slime. Bye-bye.
You get it, Matthew? Oh, you're like a pirate right now.
No. Don't.
Get in there.
Need a shovel.
What'd you get there?
I don't know. I can't.
Whoa.
Whoa!
What is that guy?
I'm slipping. I'm ice skating.
Here, Jonathan, you don't have to put it in a bag. You can actually just use this. You can put it all back in here.
No,
Then you
it's
can
my
keep
slime.
And you can put it in like your little coffin.
No,
Whoa.
Daddy.
So,
Put it in bed.
I think
This
I
is
see
mine.
how.
There.
On his tail.
This is melty.
So this toy you can dig and smash. It's called Heroes vs. Shadows. Whoa. And it includes a mystery beast. Matthew's almost done making the mystery beast. That's pretty cool. Let's see him, Matthew. Show us. You
I can't really get his tail on.
There.
want some
Big
help?
slime.
He doesn't need a tail. He can live without a tail.
This guy looks like a pretty cool dude. What about his wings?
Oh!
And there's Jonathan. Happy with his slime stuff.
It feels so good, guys. You guys should actually buy this. It feels so good.
Do you know how to put on wings? I'll hold the camera.
Okay. Go ahead.
And his tail, please.
Alright, let's see if we can put some wings on him.
I'm getting scissors. Whoa. Got scissors.
Oh!
I got scissors. I got scissors, boys.
This is not going well.
Boys and girls, I got scissors.
Scissors. He has his full swing on, and look at that tail. Look at that tail. Look at that tail.
What's in here? Oh, gold!
Golden coins from
Daddy, look at it. Daddy.
Wow.
That's
Pretty cool.
Oh, it looks like something's moving.
There you go. This guy's a pretty cool looking dude.
He will interview himself. Hello there.
Hello.
So look at all these.
Pet
These
show.
look so cool.
Look at his mouth. And
Guys,
look at still these beautiful wings.
guys,
Teeth.
guess what? This looks so cool. This one is metal and toy and toy. And DVD. Like that. DVD.
I will.
I am a monster.
Let's see your guy, Jonathan.
Oh.
Who did you get?
Can I
so
see?
Scary.
Ooh. And this guy.
And a puppy doggy?
Yeah.
All right, guys.
Wait, Matthew.
This is a pretty cool toy to open. Looks like it could be hours of fun.
Bye, guys.